In a world where technology intertwines with our dreams, where innovation dances with creativity, there exists a tool that transcends boundaries and unlocks the true potential of artistic expression. Welcome, dear viewers, to a captivating journey into the realm of the Runway AI tool. Picture this. You're sipping your morning coffee, your mind teeming with ideas, eager to bring your imagination to life. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those fleeting thoughts into a tangible reality? Enter Runway AI, the game-changing tool that transforms artists into visionaries, and visionaries into pioneers. With its elegant interface and seamless user experience, Runway AI beckons you to embark on a journey of creation like never before. Harnessing the power of machine learning, this tool becomes your trusted companion, guiding you through the artistic labyrinth and breathing life into your wildest ideas. Whether you're a digital artist seeking to push the boundaries of your craft or a filmmaker yearning for groundbreaking visual effects, Runway AI is here to elevate your work to new heights. From generating hyper-realistic landscapes to animating characters with a touch of magic, this tool redefines what's possible. Renowned artist, Runway AI has revolutionized the way I approach my art. It's like having an assistant who understands my vision and helps me achieve the impossible. It's truly a game-changer. Witness the astonishing metamorphosis as Runway AI takes your initial sketches and brings them to life with unparalleled precision and detail. With its extensive range of models and algorithms, it empowers you to explore uncharted territories, embracing the unknown and turning it into your canvas. But Runway AI is more than just a tool. It's a vibrant community of artists, united by a shared passion for innovation and boundless creativity. Connect with fellow visionaries, exchange ideas, and collaborate on projects that challenge the very fabric of what we perceive as possible. Worried about the learning curve? Fear not, for Runway AI provides an abundance of resources and tutorials, guiding you on this enchanting journey. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding artist, the path to mastery is paved with support and guidance every step of the way. Behind this awe-inspiring tool stands a team of brilliant minds, tirelessly pushing the boundaries of technology. Their commitment to innovation is the driving force behind Runway AI's transformative power, ensuring that the possibilities are endless and the horizons infinitely vast. As the sun sets on our exploration of the Runway AI tool, we are reminded that within each of us lies the spark of creativity, waiting to be unleashed. So, dear viewers, embrace the power of Runway AI, embark on this extraordinary adventure. Thank you, dear viewers, for your unwavering support. Like the wind carries a melody through the ancient woods, may the magic of creativity guide your steps. Until we meet again, may your imagination soar on the wings of possibility. Like, share, and subscribe, and may your artistic dreams forever thrive.